Dear valued audience, welcome back to my real estate channel. Today, I would like to show you the advantage and disadvantage of Hồ Tràm area based in southern Vietnam, where there are many resort projects going on. With the advantage in infrastructure, strong transportation connection, together with the blessing of nature, Hồ Tràm coastline is now a hotspot for resort real estate. As you can see, it's very convenient to transport from the current Tân Sơn Nhất Airport. It's only 111 km from Ho Chi Minh City with less than 2-hour drive. And for the future Long Thành Airport, it's only less than 10 km away. With the nice landscape surrounding on the highway, you can see a local daily life which is very lively and interesting. Let's say we have a 2-3 days getaway on weekend. Absolutely, it's a great place to stay. Here is Ansana Residences Hồ Tràm, a 5-star villa resort with only 52 villas in total. Since we are here, let's go in and visit this luxury villa together. The resort is operated under the management of Ban San Chi Group. The world-leading hospitality operator is located at the confluence of Hồ Tràm. So this is the first destination to welcome visitors, promising a lucrative investment for villa owners. The length of coastline is 280 meters, giving the guests the most enjoyable time on the beach. Villa has 3 bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own 2 baths. At the first floor, there is a private swimming pool, a kitchen, a living room, and a master bedrooms. Another 2 bedrooms in the second floor with the advantage of the jacuzzi in each room. The design got inspiration by Melaleuca tree, a symbol of the Hồ Tràm area. In fact, there are several 5-star villa projects on building in this area. I should mention Melia Hồ Tràm Villa, the only 5-star resort in this zone, since operated on 2019 until now. And Ansana Residency Hồ Tràm is the first one, will become listed very soon on March 2022. So it can be seen that this area is transforming into the multi-million-dollar resort capital of southern Vietnam.